What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm actually putting the Mustang back together. If you guys don't remember, I needed to put a new valve cover on the Mustang, and I started doing it and realized there is way too much turbo shit in the way. And this coming week we've got to actually take the turbo off because we are doing a raffle on it. So this video was actually filmed prior, but we're doing a raffle on it tonight, and then the turbo will be gone. So we've got to make room for the new turbo. So when that comes off, I might as well switch out for the new valve cover now. See, it's already got that little piece on there for the catch can. So I started taking it apart and then realized I should just wait until we switch the turbo. So I'm gonna put this all back together because Kennedy is finally taking the Mustang out today, which kind of makes me a little nervous. But like I said, it's not making full power right now because this turbo is obviously too small, what we figured out. So it won't be too bad, but cross your fingers there's no crowds out on a Sunday, but we'll see. So I'm gonna get the Mustang put back together, and then we're gonna hop in the car with Kennedy, and we'll go take her, well, she's gonna take me for some rides. Oh shit. Here we go. Give us a little rev. Just a little. Alright, you guys asked for it. Here she is driving it.
I can't believe you let me do this.
So what's the turbo on the car?
It's a 7675 Precision Turbo, 10-speed 2018 Mustang. We have...
Who's it tuned by?
It's tuned by Lund.
What gas?
Oh, C16, my favorite.
Smells fruity. Expensive, but fruity.
Very expensive, but very
It's like
nice.
perfume. Expensive and fruity.
Yeah. My perfume isn't even that expensive.
So we are in the Mustang today. We're gonna do some review of Kennedy actually driving it. She's gonna drive it around. We're gonna cruise it around. But this is actually the last day with the Precision 7675 because if you're new to the channel or you're not subscribed, you're just watching this video, which you should go subscribe. But anyways, this turbo is actually too small. The exhaust housing on it is too small, and this is the bigger one for this size of turbo. So we will be raffling off this turbo, and then we will be getting a larger turbo. So more videos to come this week. Hopefully we'll get the bigger turbo sometime this week, and then we'll try and mount it up and see, because we're gonna have to obviously make some changes to get the bigger turbo in the car, and but hopefully we can actually hit full boost. So right now all it does is hit 10 PSI, which is what the gates are on, and then it falls off to like 3-4 PSI. So it's really not that fast. I mean, it feels quick once it spools up, but it's really not that fast after that. So
it's a good time for me to drive it.
yeah, it's a good time for Kennedy to learn on it because it won't kill too many crowds.
That's right.
It's a 6th Street, just hang it right.
Okay.
You get the floor. Really what you'd want to do is choose the gear and then shift up. Remember that? Last time you drove it? So we'll do that once we get to a bigger road.
Okay.
But this road's not long enough. But when you get to like 30 miles an hour, you can just punch it, feel it real quick.
Okay.
Then we're going to turn this off. And we're turning traction control.
Good.
Crowd killer engage.
I wish it would say that.
I'm gonna change it to crowd killer mode.
Can you do that?
Sure, why not? Just careful. There's someone already in the street. Yeah, we'll go right after him.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
You want to go like 30?
Yeah. Okay.
So keep going.
I know.
A little faster.
I'm waiting.
Well, no, that way you're already at the speed and you can floor it after this.
Okay. Should I just punch it?
Sure.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Takes a little bit.
Yeah. I feel it though. Like I feel it.
Yeah. So that's why you want to choose the gear, because like it was obviously in like probably 3rd gear when you could have been in 2nd for how slow we were going, and then it won't take so long to get going.
It feels a lot better when you're in the driver's seat.
Yeah, she's scared. Alright, when it's green, floor it.
Okay.
She's gonna floor it from a stop. Let's see what happens. So if it gets crazy, just let out.
Oh no, we're holding it.
No, don't hold it. She's in it to win it.
Oh,
Okay, wrong green light.
I'm nervous.
Oh shit.
I want these cars to go away.
Yeah. I mean, you could even just like slowly. What up? Oh my. What up? Oh fuck.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. The car went that way. Oh my god. Okay, we gotta get back to driving.
I am driving.
You see how it went like that?
Yeah.
Did you feel it? Because you stayed in it.
That was fucking
Holy shit. Oh god. I'm glad you're driving it now and not later. You ain't driving it with more power. You're not supposed to stay in it?
Well, it was fine. And
No, it wasn't. Holy shit. Tell you, it scoots down low. Imagine if it held that power, like, you would have gone, whoop.
Holy bonkers.
I'm dehydrated now.
Are you nervous?
Yeah. Shit. Too much to, like, shift out to things
Yeah.
to get on.
I can feel that.
Oh, shit. So, once we get around the curve, what'd you think?
She scoots. That's for sure.
It needs more boost, huh?
Not with me driving.
Nah, Kennedy did the right thing when she felt to get a little squirrely on the highway and she was letting out of it. She was being
I
smart.
know. Well, after I did the...
Got a little nervous after that.
After I...
Gave Dave a heart attack anyways.
Squirming around. I'm not sure. David is taking over.
David is taking over. Let's see what she does from a dig.
Yeah, who does that sound like? What a boost!
Oh, look at the Tang Stang! Alright, what'd you think, Kennedy?
I liked it.
That's it? It needs more boost. Who are you waving at? What? Who are you waving at? Look like Miss America or something. Just needs more boost, right?
Cut this. Cut it and fresh.
Alright, ready, go.
Okay. No, I really liked it. Definitely needs a little bit more boost, but
But it's fun.
She gets it.
It's still fun to drive around.
It's still super fun. Yeah, just to drive around town and it's not too loud.
It's honestly like for having exhaust just straight out the hood. It's awesome.
Never mind. I'm not gonna say
Don't
that.
say it.
Don't
Say it.
that. No.
Say it just so Joseph can comment. Say it.
I turned the AC on and nothing came out. And I realized I forgot David.
She literally had all the settings and everything, and I was like, the AC doesn't work. Well, it doesn't. Not that it doesn't work. It's just not even in there.
It's not in there. So.
It'll turn on.
But it's
just
fine.
nothing goes with it.
But no, it was super fun. Got a little squirmy there for a second, but almost gave David a heart attack.
Yeah, no, it did give me a heart attack. I gotta take my blood pressure medicine after this.
But no, it's super fun. Definitely can't wait to drive it when you get more boost.
Yeah, and we'll get proper. It's got a ET Street SS on it right now, but we'll get some ET Street Rs on there. We'll get some lighter front wheels, get some suspension
Proper
mods.
wheels and tires.
Yeah,
Not
And,
Hellcat wheels.
But yeah, we'll let her get it at the track too, because the thing is, when we get the bigger turbo, we can put on a lower boost setting for you.
Yeah.
Like even 4 or 5 pounds, and then we can put it back up to like 10 to 12 pounds once you get used to it.
Cool.
But yeah, we've got some work to do. So this is the last day with that turbo, and then we get the real one, or the bigger one.
More power.
More power. All right, close it out.
Make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Kennedy McCall.
What?
Oh,
Where's
and
mine?
David at Bambi39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.